back. Siyabonga ababukeli ukuthi nihlale nathi kuze kufike lesikhathi lesi sisaqhubeka lapha uxoxa kwethu na Mr. Thabo Ngomane. So Mr. Ngomane, kulile sesikhulumile manje about nje journey yakho. So there's something that you posted the other day on Facebook ngayithanda. Uthe wena there are some who are not gifted in books. Parents must know that a child's gift can also make the child a millionaire. Give support where it's due. You know, little learner in Tashi and Tanzil, you know what's the reason? Because in the Sakula, one for school, but even my Talbak I was dumb when I'm Yaman in but when you are a teacher, because most of teachers of the best discouraged in school in the Sakula. Was dumb when a man on a cake, what Bakshayo in what should they have like it? Within the post like it touched me that don't share all time. So maybe Bandana about 5 months, but when like with Mudana, Bandu, we are different as people. So can you please get deeper in the problem?
Yeah, you know, if Mulungulu astala emhlabeni usidale sahluka vele nano mongasibuka nje nalo ngobuka mina nawo vela sifana just to start with so mesihlukile and then nalama abilities wethu awafani bese labanye ubathola lo munye utala vele unesandla lesisodwa lo munye nyawo kanjalo lo munye utshele into. But most of the people they are successful today. But if you know the guy, but the guy is living his life. So even as a class I'm sure I go to class when I'm a teacher. So I have realized I think unless we force out babe environment as a class in Mara. You will see something that has to do with dance. We are born amara the class is to zero na. So lomntwana senanje siyam frustrate lokuthi funa ukuthi athala seclass because access to sakhe. So it's not everyone lophumelele namuhla lophumelele because waqala wangena eclassini. So bona kufunza it's important because ingqondo yomuntu uyenda ivuleke mara diningi indlela zokufunza if ngasho njalo diningi indlela zokufunza akusingile ukuthi uyafuna abhale ebhodini abhale test. Kunebantwana lesibancisha iprivilege yabo ukuthi bathi express ukuthi bona bangobani because sisebenzisa le system yokuthi umntwana kune afundziswe bese kugcineni bambhalisa test. So umntwana makafeyila le test automatically simrate ezimntwana lo ngakhona forgetting ukuthi lo mntwana kune skill naye leka good kuso. If ever singamtesta ngokuthi akasebenzise tandla asendele any mold asimoldele something lo mntwana angasendela something better than laba lebabhala lebakhona kubhala ephepheni. So it tells me ukuthi lo mntwana le idea unayo engqondweni ukuthi this thing ngapona kuyenda so mara akhona ukuyibeka on paper. So judging umntwana ukuthi akhona ukubeka something on paper is not fair. And I don't blame batali ukuthi basiphushela ukuthi siye esikoleni because if nalawa ngisala khona ngabuka there are many talents. I can name bantu lebadla if ungaya ubukele magic adlala ibhola la mara people are talented but people are here today they are not doing anything abakhona ukuthola the exposure ukuthi babe la kufanele babe khona. So batali they had fear ukuthi if bantwana singabaphushela to sports angeke babe ngilutho at least umntwana afunze mawafundisa wabona ukuthi at least ba university babe ngilona lo of which leyo ke it's a disadvantage yethu ukukhulela emakhaya. But if ungabuka abantwana bafunza emadrobheni labaningi batali vele uthola umntali on a weekend uyahamba usombuka umntwana una 5 years or una 7 years uyodlala i-cricket match. So to them vele it's life. So they are building and they ekugcine abantwana abo labaningi ungabuka labantwana lebadlalela koma Springbok today badlala koma Blue Bulls ubabude ukuthi bayicale kulembe bayicale esikoleni.
That's true.
So if ever ujudge umntwana ukuthi like it's time ukuthi njengathi batali banyalo labanyuke labancane it's time ukuthi sibuke into different batali bethu they had leyo fear mara tsinyalo we know ukuthi if ever umntwana ufuna saphumelele it's not only books khona lo la ngako yena uzophumelela and lokho kwenta ukuthi nawe umntali ungabe frustrated because umntwana kude umntali afuna kuba umntwana akathola zero.
It's true.
So mina I know teachers lebakhipha abantwana babo emaklasini bobafaka la kusebenza khona ngetandi. Imagine mina as a teacher ngithatha umntwana ngimkhiphe eklasini no akabelong la ngomfaka why because the information mina senginayo I know ukuthi umntwana akufune umchannel on one point but it's all about leave the child at express umbona ukuthi okay ngiloko lekakhona kona umsupport who it's easy as that. Yes.
Ukuthi ma-parents now made azame emakhaya babahlole abantu ababo ukuthi because another thing lekhona these days even ma-parents akasayingeni umntwana esikoleni phepha kanjani labanye angihlangabezani nazo ngikane matana wabanako abantu ababo nje.
Yeah, it's sad. It's a problem because labantwana bafundisa nyalo batali balingana nathi. So it's very sad ukuthi mntali noma umbito esikoleni ukuthi umntwana umntwana ukuthi uqhuba kanjani. They don't come. Instead labanye bathumela labo gogo and labo gogo they only show up. Bonke abantwana bahlala labo gogo there's no way gogo umbito angene. So it's a problem because the challenges they so experience it seems like labantwana bethu they will still experience the same problem because we don't give them the support they need. Yeah, so I will say to the parents, manamuhla ukuthi they must just play a role. They must be part of imfundo yabantwana babo. It's very important to be part of the imfundo yabantwana babo because umntwana nakhona angathi ukuthi mama uyalandzelela papa uyalandzelela. Ishintsha lengqondo yabo and dependa ukuthi bafunde better. So I believe ukuthi as for parents of today they must be involved with education yabantwana babo and they must also know that there are many options bantwana labangaphila ngabo and they must make sure that they are part and parcel of their children's education. Bantwana nabo uma sebadi ukuthi batali babo bayalandzelela they do better. Uma bathi ukuthi mama I will check my books, mama will visit esikoleni uyakhuluma nathishela. It encourage them ukuthi bakhona nabo ukusebenza better even noma marks abo aya improve in a way. So fune umntwana umlandzele ukuze kuse mhlawumbe umntwana kanema challenges ezimntwana what it's very easy to pick up ukuthi umntwana mno lento le yamkhulu khona le and now uyakhona umntwana ukuthi umplanele for the future umsupport according to strength umntwana lekasuke anaso.
Yeah, that's powerful because naniyivudile ngimatiba so nabekane inkinga yomntwana akhe ngafeyile esikoleni umfana ngafeyila kakhulu big time ngabhetha nje manje banombita nje amagama la njengalawo sidomo wena into like ngahlala naye personal ngitshela us like I don't think it's good lokwendaba yomfana man try something else into angasayikhona uthi hayi lokho afuna ukufunda uphinde ufuna kusebenza nami ngasokuthi une company ukinkati imoto brother so akafuna ukufunda ufuna ukuphinza ababhizi le workshop yabantu maybe that's into la ngifuna usathe ngikuye and then wacala bavuleka amehlo wacala from there trainer kuna laphana wamix kuma courses kuma short courses for the clinic laphana today the boy is like making money there the same company yakula because of that boy and like you see ukuthi uphose mfana nje walahlwa wabitwa ngagama wathini watshoshwa nasekhaya ngemfundo yebo kanti akekho good vele emabhukwini ngenteka lokho so I understand what you are saying. So as parents kumele sinake abantu abethu banakekele makahluleka ngalana umise la khona. So yeah, so parents asiqali ukunaka abatandi in this thing because sabalimata abantwana bafuna ukuthanda. That's another thing lenje ngifuna isikhulume ngayo kancane like how important it is ukuthi sithande abantu babethu especially abantwana bafana I believe ngendlela ngibona ngakhona nje ngathi asiba protect ngathi asibathande lesimele sibathande ngakhona.
Yes, lithando ubaluleke kakhulu. So akekho umntwana la ngahluleka kuperforma or ahluleka kwenda something right athi ukuthi angifuni disappointa baba uyangithanda mama uyangithanda. So if umntwana umthanda kukodwa nje lokho it's a motivation empilweni yakhe ukuthi ende into right ngoba nanoma le into bafuna kuyenza wrong mara khumbule ukuthi after the support lomnikelo after the love lomkhombisana njengemdala akafuni ukudisappoint. So lokuye futhi kuyasita umntwana ngabe umthanda kuyasita ukuthi uyakhona lokuthi makane problem akona ukusho kathi ukuthi okay papa ngaya kuye ngikhuluma naye but if umntwana athi ukuthi papa makangena eminyango papa siyehle emasofeni siyodivalele emakamereni khona umntwana angafa uhleli naye endlini ungamboni because uyasaba ukutshela kuwe ngoba uyazi ukuthi momtshela wena you are always shouting. So bantwana remember ukuthi umntwana makafika emhlabeni the first person leka amathiko is the parent lo amthembayo ukuthi uyathi ukuthi nginemntana. So if umntwana athola uthando nanoma ngaphandle ungabuka manje abantwana abathola uthando uyambona even nanoma usifike eclassini akulutshela ukuthi umntwana lo ekhaya lapho yakhona uthola uthando umntwana uhlobile uyanayelela right and lokho kanjani angaba free emoyeni wakhe yakhona ukuthi naseclassini aperforme kahle. So uthando ukuthi lihamba indzawo kakhulu. Yes.
But parents, let's love our children. Sibathande, sibagezise abantwana because botishela balibone esikoleni bayafika ikhona iminyama thobi Monday ngedeka catshulwa likapolishwa tinsambo tikumkile. We've seen that esikoleni and akusimnanzi lokho. Even noma mina angifunzi kamnanzi man ngiyabona uniform yami ibhekelela intini like so ngiyakuthola usini so our parents azameni abadala sinake abantu bethu sibathanze masibambise esikoleni because siyabambisana nabotishela kahle kahle ukuthi siyalahla kubo batobona because ngeva ngire ngakhuluma hey siyabhadala school fees batobona labotishela like some parents ngebadala bakhuluma nje noma ngabe umuntu uyamlahla kanti
yeah batali bayake basonjalo abaningi bane problem abathi batobona botishela yebo bona abantwana bahlala nabotishela class lesithe undula bona batali but lento icala ekhaya if ungabuka abantwana abaningi labaphumelelayo you will find ukuthi emakhaya babathengele lama resources labawadingayo ukuthi bakone ukufunda ngcono so babathengela namabhuku ba practice nama toys abadlala ngawo na the educational so bayamsupporta lo muntu ekhaya so kuba lula uma ufika eclassini wena you are just working on something lekhona so akufana lokuthi hamba batobona esikoleni we simply and labantwana abaningi lothos nemahomework abasabhali nokubhala it's because bayati ukuthi ufunde esikoleni ugcine esikoleni and lokho unless lo mntwana wakho vele uhlanganiphe kwasanhloko if uthola abantwana labadzinga ukuthi siba assist esikhathini esiningi bagcina sebasalele emuva and labanye bagcina bahambe lenzaba yesikolo ebakhulu labanye khona labayekela isikolo ngoba vele bayahluleka khona labayekela isikolo because thina batana botishela sibabhekile we couldn't support them and that's what I support.
Yeah, no. Actually, siyabonga kakhulu Mr. Ngoma like makutobana botishela bafana njengawe believe kuningi lekungajinja man they understand the learner then like it's too much because as school it's in sabuthi nokubotishela bababhetha but bakhona right but labaningi nje banako lo ukuthi hey yafana man ukhulu ugcina inhloko wathi but ngendlela ungakhona nokubona nje uphosela amavideo udlala nabo lama student bakho lapha kumnanzi man ngathi bantwana bakho like izinto how this man mntwana mangathi angamela ukufundela ifenza jabo khona I serious man like you are so good keep it up Mr. Ngomane Google lo wendawo uNkulunkulu nje ngathi angakubusisa uqhubeke more uthashela labanye ukutishela ukuthi like asiyende isole ijigeni singasayingadlela leyana singabe bantwana ngidome babede ngamagama mnyamane wathi nenhloko yokucina hloko yanyani so yeah because again so I want to talk now about family, because I've said something about you, the way you love your family. I think I once showed you this thing, but now for something because like you've seen this man sometimes. Sometimes it's my brother, but I've seen you when we are going like it kind of like never doing that when I was like look do the belong like it's the belong for sometimes was you say so I'm saying my sister I love you very much like I've seen you doing that like but most of us as people as well and I've seen you like ever miss out when we spend I know I can tell you I love my sisters but hey I don't think giving about just about Tanza but now singiyazama sekubhetha nawe lo ungifunze ungibone kulo because I think I told you sometimes we need to but I believe there are many people in our community laba funzayo into na kupata already bakutshela so mina mfethu sengitshele I've learned a lot from you njengoba imindeni you love your family sometimes ungena swimming pool nidala lapho lapha na kugeza netfeka kumnanzi ngisalo WhatsApp usibona uyasidance sisadansa lapha like because the for telelungu lesine sithatha njalo so kuyafana ngiyamthanda ngiyamthanda noma ngijima ngiyamthanda kusala ngibona umuntu masehlonye uyaqala khala akazi ukuthi ngiyamthanda so how do you do this because who it seems like it's easy I will force them to go for step
yeah you know if family those are the only people who know never talk support no matter what so for me lokubathanda nje kuphela ngabatshela I feel like it's not enough so I always I tell them because I am proud of them and if you can see or look around maybe you know all my family members today because of me. I post them and talk about them and so there is limited time family. So if you don't celebrate or enjoy it now, at some point you'll have a problem. You will wish putting abe na celebrate now. So me celebrate cool because they made my sacrifices the money, especially my parents, my siblings now. Ba beke my dreams abo aside ba push me ukuthi ngizele lo muntu lenguye lapho so for me uba appreciate I feel like that's the only thing I can do to give back to them for what they have done for me So if they've been there for me, vele to me they mean everything. And lokhu yena kufanele sikunormalize or sikujwayele kuwena kunokuthi umuntu uma uhlala naye kufanele umtshele ukuthi uyamthanda nanoma ade ukuthi uyamthanda, but it is different if wona lo muntu umtshela ukuthi you know what, this is how you mean in my life, this is what you mean, I love you, and umchazela because of that and that. So kuba mnandi man, and nale environment leniphila kuyo nayo igcina iba mnandi. So kubalulekile, and nami nalokuthi ngikhule ngalo thando because batali bami vele they didn't have into letiningi, mara one thing lebe ngisho ngayo ukuthi batonginika yona uthando. So ngilithathe kubo and selilakimi nami nyalo, so liyagcwala ngagcwala nami ngilithulela kulabanye kanjalo. So yeah, I love my family, and ububuka sometimes we do things nebangani kakhulu. We can pop out money in our school because is 500 to see someone.
Yeah.
But why don't you sometimes do that with your brothers, with your sisters? Yeah. Why don't you organize the private family? Yeah, because Bonabayat and they putting Salana, Bonglana, Bayat. No, those people now, as much as Ubasengalambu, Punaman, Mara, it's different if you put me the find a family. So I've seen very long, but it's all about teaching yourself what this is right, I must also do it. So wonke umuntu angayizama utobona usiyasebenza kuba mnanzi nebambisana, and noma sikufanele nende intingo asisinende ama projects asendlini kuba lula because uyathi umuntu uma umfonela ukuthi hayi akamfoneli kuphela ngoba nenkingi, sometimes umuntu uyamfonela nje just to check ukuthi unjani, appreciate. So to me vele family is everything, and I love them.
No mensabonga, like guys siyofunza ngiyafunza nje la leza msebenzi kunini sifunzile ukuthi family balekile, no matter mistakes, no matter ukuthi uphila kanjani, but family is family. I've seen that about you because not like your family is perfect, but the way basenza ngakhona like lo mina ngazathemba ukuthi should be perfect. So like yeah, it's very very important ukuthi Tanzania as families and siyafunza nathi, so siyozama ukuthi senda ngiyethemba ukuthi labanye babukelayo ngibona senishuthi ithombe nabadala bethu bakhisa bali ngalithanza likhehla lami ngiyasithanza salokho sami ngifuna ukunibona babukeli nikwele because love is very very important. As asho ukuthi uNkulunkulu usinike isikhathi esincane la ngaphansi wethu nabosesi bethu ona bokuthi bethu, so let's love them no matter my mistake level now, but love is everything. So I just want to talk about my service going down in the community. So I've seen you now I don't know what's the movement, we can't even feel the backing movement, or I don't think it's a movement or him, I'm not 19. So
yeah. So my service, my project of giving back to the community. Now I have very long back in Sasa University. So if on a tracer back in Besop Pumalanga, they will tell you I had my project where I was giving back my sanitary towels and all.
I remember that one. I remember that one. Yeah.
So it's all about people are in need, and the backbone of resources, but we just need a middleman, another connector, the people in need, resources. So I decided to take the initiative. So and if it made it different, cool, especially at the college, because but now they don't have my uniform.
Yes.
And if ever one thing I must also appreciate they're always willing to assist me. The little things they give you when they make through. And the project to be successful. If ever you're saying, give me this, I want to do that, then at the end of the day, do it. So our movement, I'm very back from Basit.
Yes.
So that's who I am. I believe when you have something, you must also share with other people. So it's a small difference. You can tell they really needed it. So I came back, saying so I decided to see as much as on in other places. The same project emakhaya. So nala makhaya I used to donate to my orphanages. So I decided to do it different. As one hashtag let's feel the back. I decided to do it different because
yes.
They are in need. And the timbata didn't put now and the band of 70s, and to someone else I've seen, because it's saying in the first project, people want more.
Yeah.
I understand. People want more. People are really in need. So it touched me. The little bit it made a huge difference. So I will still love to get more to get more clothes, especially from the guys, because but fact they've gave much better, they are always giving. So I'm short of the magic. So yeah, that's all I can say. I'm doing it because I love it, and because now I've been there, I know the feeling you're you're also connecting. So it makes a difference. It made a difference to Bandabani.
Yeah.
So I wish we can all practice. You don't have to help the whole South Africa,
Yeah.
Usikanje two bantu. Tola two bantu jabatenge lunch le lang. You made a difference.
Yeah.
Utola nje mage le lang umphathele soup. You made a difference. So bantu bacabanga ukuthi kufanele kube those big guys who
Yeah.
make a difference.
Yeah.
Bukambe namanje, I'm not spending any money to help people. The only thing I do is I travel on my own cost. Mara, from there I get things from people.
Yeah.
I give other people. So it's just energy. I'm putting energy to do it. So we can all do it.
Yeah, and what I like is ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi lento le hope yakho lokuthi ujale posta ko Facebook, WhatsApp. It's something that you do, it's something loyiqala kuba nayo even before ufika la khona man, because as I've said lo umuntu angathi angabana excuse me kuyafana manje mase ngiqale ukhola mina ngo 20,000 uqala kunikela uqala keep wona ukhipha unganalutho. That's what I like about you. Uqale kunikela unganalutho, uqale kwenza lokho project unganalutho. So now because sona something sekuyakhula kuba even more.
Yeah. A lifestyle, it's a lifestyle. You can't fake a lifestyle. Even if you can pretend to be someone else, you will know the real person. You will know who you are. So it's a lifestyle. I guess it's what God gave me. It's something that is in me. So I'm living it. I just know when I wake up, I have to go out and help someone.
Yeah.
So that's what I do. Yeah.
No, Mr. Ngomane. So just semaphethelweni manje, but before nje sicetha ushadile manje sonemfati ngifuna nje ukhulume kabani ngaloko kwenzekala kumnanzi emshadweni njengoba kwenzekala nemajaha amaningi samnangile emshadweni amayahleke laphana yabona basafuna yabona basimana nje lokusikhuluma manje basafuna bamnangile emshadweni. So talk to us, brother, talk to us.
Yeah, so emshadweni yona but ungena emshadweni, it's not what people say it is, because people share only the bad side of it, and it's not Mshato. I mean, I don't believe whatever they are sharing is about Mshato. It's about the people. It's about us human. It's not about Mshato, because Mshato is what God wants, what God loves. So lo bantu leswakhuluma ukuthi emshadweni uboshiwe mongene khona, you can't do your things. Lo I feel ukuthi you mustn't rush, and don't do something because mnganakho soyendile, or don't do it because so bona eminyaka wakho ukuthi vele ngatibekela ukuthi ngafika 35 sekufanele ngishade. Ushada, it's love is beautiful, ushada nakhona, to me it's a great experience, because now you just know ukuthi kunemuntu lengiphilela yena, and it disciplines you ukuthi ungagcwali itrat, because like ungathatha uswendana, even your finances kuningi nje lokubese kuyaxoxeka one direction. So for me, all I can say is love is beautiful, but marry someone who will understand the person you are, because I don't believe on this thing you have to change. Njengawe nje manje, what you're doing, if ever you can get someone who supports you, and then instead of uyekele lokwendawo, rather add on it, lo muntu add value elifini yakho ukuthi usuke from the level okuyo level. I think that's when people will see mshado problem.
Yes.
As for me, the things I didn't have before, now I even have more. And my projects I'm not before I even got married. Maramaji, I'm continuing with my project one without any problem. And my partner is also there to assist me with pushing my project. She's all in it. Now I got a problem now. Instead, now come with my ideas. If the post share WhatsApp. So this person is there with me.
Yes.
You understand? So young culture. So Mshato is all about marrying yourself, let's say, in that woman.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you get it right lapho, you don't have a problem.
Hayi siyeva never majaha nalapho siyeva no sivile so Mr. Chi siyabonga kakhulu man ngicela nje ukuthi
Yes.
ubuke le camera lapha and say something nje mavi nje ukuvalelisa and uchukuthele nje labantu because nebantu abasagive uphile ezingishile ekuqaleni this show it's about inspiring people
Yes,
it's about
yes.
badifiteke abantu so just say something maybe nje kafushane before sivala.
Yeah, so sengivala lengakusho ukuthi if ulapha ekhaya and you have gave up a life or you feel like it's too much for you, we all started there and we all start somewhere. So all I can say ukuthi, and what I love saying ukuthi bantu bangathathi ama-shortcut labanye ba-give upile because lo muntu bekafuna an easy money wangayitholi so wa-give up. So start again. That's what I can leave people with ukuthi start again. If ever wafeyila matric, go back and register matric or even go to class if ever it takes you to, because bantu bayokhuluma for 2 minutes mara bayakhohlwa ekugcineni and wena what is important ukuthi you'll achieve your goal. So Rome was not built in one night if bantu basho. So kunjalo vele emhlabeni you put energy in what you want nanoma le nto yendele namuhla yonke eksasa mara as soon as you give up akusithi ukuthi uve buhlungu uve pain lokufeyila bese ekugcineni lento lebo boyela ngayitho. So it's better ukuthi uqale ufeyile but ekugcineni kwawo konke masobuke emuva usho ukuthi indeed lokufeyila kwami kumfundisile, that's why I am here today. So failure is normal, we all fail emhlabeni, but today we are here because azange sa give up. So now if ebulahlekele lithemba thatha le CV udaste namuhla uyela uyo apply. And one last thing sengivala ukuthi people must not be comfortable. La sokusimhlaba wababa kusimhlaba wamakwabo nawe, so umhlaba usuthole la vele umhlaba uyahlaba njengobasho, but don't be comfortable. La khona usebenza esitolo usebenza kuphi, you are still important nawe. Dikhuphule la khona ungavumi nje wena kuba ordinary. Always work to upgrade yourself. Lenda le certificate lo sendako, do whatever diploma, whatever degree, but upgrade yourself. La ufike khona ungapheleli lapho. And don't forget to include God in all that you do, and God will bless you. Thank you.
Amen. Mr. Chi siyabonga kakhulu man.
Thank you very much.
It was nice ukuba nawe lana.
Yeah.
So utholakala kule sekna kuyabukela na donate kulama #feedback lo project ongolwendawo kule bangakuthola khona.
Oh yes, lawa ngithola khona ku Facebook Thabo Ngomane, ngithabo Ngomane Facebook, and then my contact army is 076 270 2035. Ngiphinze futhi 076 270 2035. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Siyabonga babukeli ukuthi nihlale nathi kuze kufike lesikhathi lesi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nifundzile. Mina ngifundzile lokuningi kakhulu. I am inspired nje. Ngeva moya wami uvuselelekile. Ngithemba ngivuselelekile. So ngiyathemba ukuthi nawe ufundzile lapho uhlede ekhaya. So sizohlangana same time khona lana futhi e-studio. So if you have a story like a testimony that you think can inspire and uplift someone, feel free to contact us. My number is 071-330-1716. Just call us, or you can go Facebook, KJ Shumube, and contact me and share your story. And who knows, maybe you'll be sitting next to me and inspiring Shaba. So thank you very much.